So hello guys, today I am going to show you how to download free ringtones or set free ringtones or wallpapers in your own phone. So first what you have to do I am telling. So first you have to open your, as you know, you have to open your Google or your Chrome browser. So after that I am opening my Google, and after that what you have to do, you have to click on this one or type this one. So after that click on that link which I am going to share in the description, and just click on this one. Or you can also download the app from Google Play Store or App Store. After that you click on use in browser, and after that you will click on this ringtones. So you click on this ringtones. After that it's your choice. What type of ringtone you wanna do. So I have my iPhone ringtone like this. So you can test many of this and then click on that, and just you do this one. You just click on continue. So I'm clicking on continue, and just you have to click on download. So I have to download it. So that's the all thing you have to do. And just after you download it, go to your file manager like this. Go to your file manager, and after that click on the file manager and just click on the music icon. So after that you click on the iPhone MP3 portion. As you can see, iPhone MP3, you have to click on it, and just you will hear it. And you have to do a thing. You have to click on it. You have to click on this more option, more, and after that you have to click on this make a ringtone option. So make a ringtone option I've clicked, and just you have to choose which kind of ringtone you wanna do. So I have it in my incoming call ringtone, and you have to set the ringtone. Okay, and just click on the done. So after that, this is the only process to do, and you can also apply it on the. You can also apply it on. 1 minute, I'm typing. Yes. You have to type it like that, and just you'll find some downloads. Okay, some wallpapers, and just you have to download it like that. I have downloaded my cube. As you can see, here's my cube. Here's my cube wallpaper. So you can download more. So that's all for today, and now I am showing you what to do. Okay. So guys, what you have to do now, you have to search my channel Suryans Baidya. Just as I am searching, you have to search my channel, and just that I have subscribed like that. You have to also subscribe and also click the bell icon, and also like my videos. And please subscribe. As you can see, I have subscribed, and also click the bell notification on all. So then you have to comment in my in my comments. You have to also comment it's good at your choice. Comment it's what good. You think about this video, and what to improve. Your choice. You can tell what to comment. That's all for today. Thank you. Please comment and have a nice day. So ahead. That's all for today. Just stay tuned and have a nice day.